Whoa.
This was the messed up hood before, right?
Yeah, remember I showed you that it was side, like it would stick out a little bit?
That's why it probably even been more, just because it was already out of alignment slightly.
I mean, that's what happens to these things. They get
but after, it still got P2, it rode around.
Racing in Indianapolis. It is a crowd in their own drivers spaced out farther back in the field as it looks like Conquest trying to hold off an attack there from Triarsi. There's a big...
team. That would have been like right on your ball.
Right in there.
TC driver at the wheel.
Why? It's awesome. I went to the shop. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, that's so cool. Did you see both shops or just the shop?
Just the race shop. Because your dad disappeared when I was there. But then I was on my way here for the meeting, and I missed it by like a couple minutes. I'm like, I'm not gonna walk.
Yeah, I don't want to do the FD thing because then we'll have druggies and all those crazy people.
Did he tell you that?
Max Racing and for a course of Francorchamps. That is going to be a little bit parts of the Kelly Beretta going down to the inside there of the same. Day for them. Our carry track has been much the
The what money? You're paying them too much. Okay. You ready to start it?
Give me just a minute. Let's get some more water. It should already be bubbled. Well,
I know, I just saw that. And he moved. We lived in pretty much like neighborhoods that were next to each other. Freshman year.